Join me live online for this new online workshop, whether you're looking to next level your skills, reset your nervous system, regulate the nervous system in times of change. You want practical, proven techniques, strategies that you can powerfully and immediately put into practice. This event is for you. Live online next month with myself, Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess Coach, Rapid Transformation Specialist and Futurist from transformationstm.com. We're using a unique blend of some of my favourite modalities: FLP, Future Life Progression, Hypnosis, NLP, Timeline Therapy, Huna, Archetypal Profiling, aspects of the Soul Plan. So join us for this breakthrough workshop day. And just so you know, the price increases at the end of this week. The launch price is $37. So get yourself signed up and we look forward to seeing you there. Marilyn Devonish, over and out. And PS, for those of you on my e-newsletter list, if you have your coupon code, please make sure that you use it at the time of booking. Check your email inbox. It landed yesterday.